Welcome. If you want to use split screen in your REALME X3 SuperZoom, for the first you have to open the apps that you want to use. So I'm going for the Google Chrome, and also I'm going for the Facebook. And right now we have to click here to open the background apps, tap on these two dots and tap to split screen. And here we have to also take the second application, so click one more time on the background apps, take your app, and right now we can also adjust the size of the application. We can work on the two apps at the same time, and if you want to close it, just swipe like that. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.